If I'm the last to get ready, I have to take 2 shots. Okay. I need to change my earrings. I just can't find the actual earrings that I want to wear. We're just going to do a light beat. We are currently in Marbella for my sister's 21st. She turns 21 tomorrow. And we're here to basically celebrate. We're here with one of my cousins. We're just going to put some little concealer, nothing too crazy. And then maybe later on we'll do a couple full face. But I'm also the same person saying I'm not going to do a full face, but when have I never like actually said that I meant it? I haven't put SPF on. Crap. Don't hit me. Do some contour, like a little something. Give it some blah. I need to do my edges properly so don't fight me. Okay, so just what I'll be using now. It's not cute. Don't fight me. So Jesus Christ. The weather here is pretty cute and stuff, if I'm being very honest. But I've also only been here for 1 day. Did I say why we're here? We're here for my sister's birthday. My sister, she turns 21 tomorrow. I feel like I'm just saying the same stuff. I actually just really need to get ready quickly because I don't want to be the last person to get ready. Because if I am the last person to get ready, I have to take a shot. And the likelihood of me actually being the last person to get ready anyway is so high because I'm here doing my makeup and filming with you guys. But this trip is cute. Yesterday, we landed and we did like, what did we do yesterday? We went grocery shopping because we're staying in a villa. And we spent like $40, 40 euros. And that was really nice. We got like breakfast and stuff, but we forgot to get a lighter. So we weren't actually able to cook breakfast this morning. So everyone is kind of hungry, which is a bit interesting. But we came on this girls trip because obviously, yeah, it's my sister's birthday, but like as cousins, we haven't necessarily all been as connected. So we have decided, with the help of my sister, to take it upon ourselves to like work on getting closer so that it's not that we just see each other like when there's like a funeral or like a family function or something. Like we're also like inviting them to like our birthdays or like all of that stuff. Like like we're choosing to make each other friends beyond simply just being family. And I think it's quite cute, incredibly cute to be in a place where this is what we want to do. Because I feel like there's a lot of relationships that you have in your life that are kind of like by force. Nothing's by force. Do you know what I mean? Some things kind of feel like, okay, would I really be here? I don't even have much setting powder. This is a bit scary. Very scary. But anyways, I'm trying not to use too much setting powder because I don't have that much. But I also don't want my under eyes to be like creasing throughout the day. If I'm the last to get ready, I have to take 2 shots. That's why you don't want to be the last to get ready. I bought new concealer stuff the other day. Still LA girl, because I'm just gonna stick to what I know and what works for me. I also got this. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it's just like I just wanted to like for days like this, you know, where like you're just doing a very simple quick beat where it's just like concealer. But you don't want like such a dark contour. You just kind of want to just add color to your face because you don't want to be like this. I don't look crazy. Like there's one thing that I don't want to do on this trip is look crazy. I'm also trying not to be like mum, especially because I'm the eldest. So I'm just trying to like let everyone do whatever it is they kind of want and being a passenger in this experience. But yeah, this looks like it was a good idea. It kind of gives like it's my foundation color, but because I don't have foundation on, it's working. I haven't even done a what's it called, a room tour. I should probably do that for TikTok, a villa tour. Yeah, that's cute. Look at that, like we just look like, this might become my new thing. Oh, this is fantastic. Then I just need to, I can't cut my cheeks, which is okay, because I don't want that to look crazy. But we just need like a little brush. Can we use this one? Yeah, we can. To do our contour, and then I feel like we're done really. This is it. We might just add a little bit of blush. But yeah, what have I been saying? I don't even know what I'm saying, but now I feel very much just like, look at me. I don't know if you guys can look at me and see what I'm seeing because of the lighting, but we're just gonna set our contour. Actually no, we're gonna press our under eyes with like a little powder. No stressful enemy. Oh! Okay, we're just gonna... What a fantastic... No, sorry guys. This is... I just feel like we're in great vibes. It's like really exciting in many ways to be here and to be like getting done and to be like I don't know, I just feel like I'm very much like, before I came here, like some horrible things have happened this year. Like I've lost out on friendships that like I haven't ever expected to like lose out on. But I feel like life happens in ways that are like, what are you gonna do, sit there and just be like sad for the rest of it? And the truth is you really could be, but I just, bro, I don't be sad about people that don't really want to exist here. Like I think sometimes we focus too much on the things that aren't that important, and not like they're not important, they just don't deserve as much as attention as we're currently giving them. And that's why we stay upset. Like, stop upsetting yourself, focus on the people that love you, the people that want to be there to make those relationships better. And that's essentially what this hot trip is. Come in. Oh, this is cute. Oh, we should take a little picture. She's wearing like, these are both from Sarai. Yeah.
So it's the makeup routine, like...
Yeah, no, I'm basically done. I'm just gonna put a little bit of blush on, so it's not so like...
just a little bit of like...
colour,
yeah.
And then I'm done.
You look good. Look nice.
Thank you.
Oh shit.
So that's kind of a little problem. That's good. And now we just line our lips, set our face, and we're done. Isn't that cute? This is older than I should even say. But it's from a company called the Nude Room, and they honestly, it's my favorite gloss because it's so pigmented. You don't even need to put anything underneath it, really, especially if you're going for like a nude look. If you want, you can obviously like do more. But here we go, we've got this, we've got our little pencils, we're gonna need those, and then we also need to put on just a little bit of gloss and then set our under eyes. So what do I need to take with me? I actually need to set my under eye though. Not my under eye powder, my blush. There we go. We just use whatever was left on there. And then we can just actually go in with this little sunset shade. This palette as well is older than I should even be. Like, does BH Cosmetics even exist anymore? Like, do you know what I mean? I haven't done anything to my brows. Should I? Gonna do our little trick. I haven't said this, but I basically put my beauty blender, a damp beauty blender in my setting spray, and it basically helps press everything into your makeup and it makes it softer. We're just gonna do a light brow. I feel like this pencil is grey and we don't really want a grey brow. Okay, I think I'm done. We've got brows, lips. We don't need enough foundation to take with us. Oh my gosh. And now I just need to go check that I don't look crazy.